Hi, I'm Charlie from Organic English. If you watch my videos, you get better at English. Today, we're going to be looking at the zero conditional. Hi, I'm Charlie. Welcome to Organic English. I'm here to help you become more fluent in English. In this video, we're going to be looking at the zero conditional, why we use it, how to form it, and when to use it. So stick around. Take a look in the description below. I'll put a link to a transcript. You can download that for free, and you can use it to follow along with this lesson. I'll also put a link to a short quiz, which will give you more practice and check your understanding. We mainly use the zero conditional to talk about things that always happen. We could call these general truths and facts. We often talk about scientific facts using the zero conditional. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. If you heat ice, it melts. The zero conditional is made up of two clauses: the if clause, or the condition, and the main clause, which is the result. The if clause is made using if and the present simple, and the main clause is made using the present simple. You can also change the order of the clauses without changing the meaning, just like with other conditional sentences, but you may have to rearrange the pronoun. For example, ice melts if you heat it. Ice melts if you heat it. I've made some other videos about the first, second, and third conditionals, and I'll link to them right here. The if in the zero conditional can often be exchanged for when without affecting the meaning. When you heat ice, it melts. Ice melts when you heat it. Here are some more examples. If water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. If water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. This is always true. There can't sometimes be a different result. Water always boils at 100. If people eat too much, they get fat. If people eat too much, they get fat. You get purple if you mix red and blue. You get purple if you mix red and blue. We also often use the zero conditional when we're giving instructions. For this, we use the imperative in the main clause. Here are some examples. If Bill phones, tell him to meet me at the restaurant. If Bill phones, tell him to meet me at the restaurant. Ask Jane if you're not sure what to do. Ask Jane if you're not sure what to do. Now, it can be difficult to decide when to use the zero conditional or when to use the first conditional. It helps to remember that the zero conditional describes what happens in general. For example, if you sit in the sun, you get burned. If you sit in the sun, you get burned. Here I'm talking about every time a person sits in the sun. It's a natural consequence of sitting in the sun that you get burned. The first conditional describes a particular situation. Using the same example, if you sit in the sun, you'll get burned. If you sit in the sun, you'll get burned. Here I'm talking about what will happen this time. Another time, you may not get burned. Another time, the result might be different. This is something that might happen in the future. Of course, we can't predict the future, but it describes possible outcomes which could easily become true. For more about the first conditional, I've made another video which you can check out here, and I'll put a link in the description too. Don't forget to go to my website, organicenglish.club, where you'll find plenty of other resources to help you become more fluent in English. Please also subscribe to my newsletter subscribers will get cheat sheets, mini lessons, and video updates direct to their inbox. If you got any value from this video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Thank you very much for watching. Now go out and practice your English.